this recipe, you will need 1 box of red velvet cake mix, Cool Whip, 2 eggs, and some white chocolate chips. Pour the cake mix, Cool Whip, 2 eggs into the bowl and start mixing everything together. The cake batter will seem dry, but keep mixing it until it looks like cookie dough. Once the batter is completely mixed together, go ahead and pour in your white chocolate chips. Now fold in the white chocolate chips. This batter will be wet, so you'll need to use a scoop and put it onto a Silpat or parchment paper. And top each cookie with a few more white chocolate chips before you put it into the oven. We're going to bake it in the oven for 375 degrees for 9 minutes. These cookies will be soft, so you need to let them sit for a little bit before you transfer them onto the cooling rack.